Here we are at the end of the United States, at the border of the United States and Mexico here in San Diego. Are you seeing this? Look at this view. Good morning. It is the start of a new day. We're starting a new journey. We're starting a new adventure. The biggest road trip we've ever embarked on. It's gonna be fun. Let's get going. Pit stop at Starbucks because I'm lazy and did not feel like cooking breakfast today, and because it's delicious. This road trip begins at the southwestern corner of the country here in San Diego. The goal is to make it all the way to the opposite corner of the country. There's a lot of farms. I see some stables. Sam has already seen some horses. We're gonna try to get as close as possible to the actual border at the ocean. And if I sound a little congested or if I'm like coughing, it's because I am like trying to get over a little cold, little bug I caught from lightning in the bottle, I think, at the end of it. But I feel much better than I did a couple days ago. It says the road in the park is closed right now. Maybe there's another way. Apparently there's some birds hatching, something going on with like these little tiny birds. I was warned several times not to bring my dog to the beach. He had to stay home today, but I came up with this mission to go corner to corner. It's not gonna be a straight line by any means, but our first corner that we'll get to will be the northeastern corner up in Maine. And I want you guys involved in it as well. So definitely be seeking some input on locations and places to see in between. I wanna like go on highways and go through small towns more and kind of go off the beaten path more. I have the rig to do it, I have the resources. So this is kind of a breaking the mental barrier journey, just as much as a geographical accomplishment. But it's also to like take Sam on like the ultimate road trip, and I wanna give him like the best experience, best life I could possibly give him. We're not waiting around, it's time. And that's what we're doing. And there it is. This is it. This is the corner of southwestern corner of the United States. It's at the border of the United States and Mexico here in San Diego. I had to walk quite a ways. You can't just drive up to this point. You gotta park quite a ways out, and it's just the beginning. So onwards we go. Let's do it. And I think what motivates me so much is just like how much of this country I have not seen. As much as I've been on the road constantly for 5 years, I feel like I've barely scratched the surface. I'm ready to go that much deeper and that much further. That's a little bit of where this inspiration comes from. But so now I'm gonna put my feet in the water. So I gotta put my feet in the Pacific once. So that next time I touch the ocean, it will be the Atlantic. The sunniest day to see the West Coast, but there it is. It's still the ocean, and it's still very peaceful and calming, and I love it. Later, West Coast. See you when we see ya. All right, so we made it back to the van. Changed my shirt, changed my hat, because I was definitely sweating. Now it is time to hit the road, get out of San Diego. I just know I want to head towards Utah. I don't know how far we'll make it tonight, but we're getting started right now. And yes, I promise New windshield is on my list, so I apologize in advance for this cracked windshield. It will happen. A little windy. Oh, that's not that bad. That's pretty level. Let's see what it looks like. I think we're in business. There's the view. All right, let's call this home for the night. Let's park it. Let the boy run out. I think I'm gonna put his shoes on though, because the rocks are pretty jaggedy out here. Sometimes there's glass out here. I'm gonna throw on his little rough wear boots. Yes, he is. Hold on. There you go, buddy. Good boy, you got your shoes on. You can gallop free, buddy. Oh, he loves his shoes. All right, so here's our view. The freeway still right there, not that far off the road. We got the ATVers out here. The very windy view right now. I'm gonna get us settled into the campsite, and then I think we'll take a little sunset walk here in a little bit. When that sun starts really dipping, we'll go get a better view from up there maybe. Or maybe over here, there's another one that, ooh, maybe we'll see what's on that side of that ridge. That'd be cool. All right, here we go. Sam still got his shoes on. That sun is dipping. Sun, moon, excited. Can you see this incline? I'm trying to keep the camera as level as I can so you can see the angle. Look how far up Sam is from me. Look at the tiny van down there. Let's get to the top, all the way up. Let's do it. Almost there. Almost there. Are you seeing this? How you feel about it? It was worth it. Not too bad for day one. Back down we go. I'm gonna take some photos. Just had to document this moment because I'm super happy that Sam just wanted up on this spot all on his own. Must have looked pretty cozy. He never really gets up on this bench himself unless he's trying to look out this window to see what's going on. Very rarely though. But what's funny is I actually built this bench area, which now is like my office slash just like communal seating area, but I actually built it with him in mind because it's kind of like Sam-sized if you think about it. So just had to document the fact that he just wanted to get up on his little bed all by himself. So anyway, all right, we're back in. I got my shorts on, taking a little breather, getting ourselves situated in here. I am drinking some immune boosting orange juice type cold pressed fruit juice smoothie stuff, which is delicious. Time to cook some home cooked gourmet dinner in the van. Step 1, pot, open tab, remove lid. Step 6, turn on stove. Wow, that's a lot. Step 7, wait for soup to heat up. All right, and that is how you make a delicious home-cooked bowl of soup. Cheers. Yum. I'm gonna enjoy this, get a little work done, and I'll check in with you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, it is quite a bit later. We are pretty much just settled in for the night. Sam is passed out right now. He's not even awake right now. A long day both of us have, so I think we're gonna wrap up the day here. I'm just finishing up some editing tonight. I am gonna end this video here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It really helps me out. If you have, appreciate your support. I'm so excited for this journey, and I hope you enjoyed. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.